Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to, let's assume, as you can see, if you are typing your password on any application or any website um, you are making use of. Let me say here, as you can see I don't see the letters that I type. If yours is activated, that when you type your password the letters appear, what we have to do, this is Samsung A10. What you have to do to remove that, let me go back, let me go for settings, then go to biometrics and security, then go for other security settings, then you can see here make passwords visible. So if I activate it now and go back to where I was here, so let me delete everything. So when I start to type, you can see I see everything: 9, 8, 6, okay. So but if you don't want this to happen, what you can do is to deactivate that by going to settings, then biometrics and security, then other security settings, then here make passwords visible. Just deactivate that and you are good to go. So I go there again. Let me begin. If you begin to type, you can see that you don't see the letters again. So that is it for this video, and please help me click on that red subscribe button to support me in this race to hit 1 million subscribers. So I'm in a race for that and your help is needed. Just on your screen you will see this red subscribe button. Just click on it, subscribe, and then the notification bell all to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for listening, and remain blessed.